In this quick video, I am going to show you how to add photo on video in Clipchamp. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel to help me reach 1000 subscribers. Now adding photo is really easy. Firstly, tap on the import media from this panel. Once you tap on it, select the files which you want to import on your timeline. So I have this video and I have a couple of photos in my computer, so I want to select them as well. Once you select all of your media, tap on open and then all of those media will be imported on your media pool. Once your media is imported, select the video file first and drag it on your timeline just like this. And once your video is imported on your timeline, then we need to select our image and repeat the similar process. So I have this image, I need to select it and drag it on your timeline similarly. Now if I go to my image, you can see the image is here, but I want to adjust its position. So for that we need to select our image and drag the corners according to your need. So I want to make it like this, and you can also adjust the position by dragging your image. And now you can see the image has been added on my timeline. Now if I play my video, you can see the image will appear on my screen when the image is available on my timeline. So if you want to increase the duration of your image, so for that we just need to go over our image any end and then we can drag the end according to our need. So I want to make it like this to throughout my video. And now if you play our video, you can see the image will appear on our screen for entire duration. And now you can also additionally add any effects on your image to make it appealing. For that, select your image from the timeline and then go to the effects panel. And now here we can select any effect. So I want to go with this effect. Once you select it, and now if I play the video, you can see the image is here with the effect. Now you can repeat the similar process for importing multiple images. We just need to drag the image, import on your timeline just like this, and you can adjust the duration and you can also adjust the position of your image similarly. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.